This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
A Gypsy stud allows you to snap 3 fabric assemblies together or to snap 2 fabric assemblies to a hard surface. You can install a Gypsy stud with the press and snap tool with an additional die. You can also install the Snaprite Gypsy stud with a Snaprite system. But these tools cost a little bit of money, and oftentimes people are only installing a few of these Gypsy snaps. So how can you do it without these expensive tools? We're going to show you how. If you look at the Gypsy stud here, this portion here can easily get damaged unless you have a special die that supports it. Like here, this is the die for the press and snap tool. If you don't have that, we're going to take a button and a socket that have already been installed in a piece of fabric. We're going to lay it on our anvil here with the button facing down. Then we're going to take our Gypsy stud and we're going to snap it into the socket like that. Now all we need to do is take our piece of fabric and put a hole, an 1/8 inch hole into it. Then we place it on top of our Gypsy stud with the barrel protruding through the fabric, and then place a socket on top of that. Then we'll take our tool and we will give it a few blows until the barrel is rolled nicely into place. Now we can unsnap the Gypsy stud, and we have a Gypsy stud installation without any damage to the outer perimeter, because the socket and the button help to support it so it wouldn't get smashed on this side. So we can reuse this to install additional Gypsy studs. So our Gypsy stud is now installed. We have a stud on one side and a socket on the other. Here's a stud that's installed in a board. So we take this and we snap the socket to that stud. Then we have a button and a socket installed on another piece of fabric, and we can snap that to this. Now we have a cloth to surface application, or if you wanted to, you could have a cloth to cloth application if your stud were installed in fabric. So that's a way to install a Gypsy stud quickly and easily without having to buy expensive tools.
I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, give us a call or email us. We're glad to help.